going to go over three of these, top three real quick right triangle trig problems that you probably remember from geometry. Let's start with this first one. Here's our angle of elevation, or the angle that is given to us. This side directly across from it is our opposite, and this long one across from the right angle is our hypotenuse. O and an H, your teacher might have said something to you like this, SOHCAHTOA. I'm writing it like this because sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so I need the x over the 15. So I'll write sine, the abbreviation for that is just SIN, of 40 equals x over 15. You all have TI calculators, so the 40 must be in parentheses. If I'm solving for x, instead of the opposite of dividing by 15 would be timesing by 15 to get my x by itself. Go right to my calculator. Make sure I am in degree mode. I am. And I'll take 15 times the sine of 40. My answer is 9.64. Okay, I think I'm going to do number 4 next. 4, here's my angle. 7 is my adjacent, and x is my hypotenuse. A and H. A and H is the C1, or the cosine one, which is abbreviated cos. The angle is 32, and it's A over x, which is 7 over x, or A over H, adjacent over hypotenuse. So this time my x is on the bottom. Multiply both sides by x. So I have x times the cosine of 32 equals 7. To solve for x, divide by cosine 32 on both sides. Go right to your calculator. 7 divided by the cosine 32. And x is 8.25. So there's a difference when x is on the top and the bottom. When it is on the bottom, you end up having to multiply and then divide. Next one I want to do is number 9. Here's my angle. 8 is my opposite, 7 is my adjacent, so this is a tangent problem. But this time I'm solving for an angle, so I use inverse. And since my fraction here is O and A, I use tangent inverse. You can just type that straight in. Second tan, make sure that -1 pops up, 8 over 7. This angle is 48.81 degrees. And that's it for this page.